When modeling real systems or analyzing data, visualizations help us understand our results. Let's see how to get started creating graphs in MATLAB. Here, we have data for an award-winning movie, the dates the movie was shown, the viewer ratings, and the revenue for each week. Suppose we're interested in seeing if the timing of award nominations increased ticket sales. Plotting the revenue versus the dates should do the trick. To do this, let's click the Plots tab. Several plot types are shown along with a message to select a variable. Since we want to view the revenue results, we'll first click on that variable in the workspace. The available plot types become active and our selection is shown on the left. But we want to plot revenue against movie dates, meaning we need to select more than one variable. To select multiple variables, hold down the Control key while clicking the variable names. Now we've selected the data, but is revenue going to be plotted on the X or Y axis? The top variable will be plotted on the X axis, which is not what we want to do here. Let's switch them by clicking the arrows. All that's left is to choose the type of plot. The icons provide a visual cue as to how our graph will look. A line plot seems appropriate here, so let's choose that. Perfect! We see a figure window with a graph of the variables we selected. And look at that! Revenue was decreasing but recovered after being nominated. In fact, after winning awards, there was another increase. Also, notice that the appropriate function used to create the plot was added to the command window. This helps us remember the function name or add it to our code files for later use. So, we know the awards helped increase revenue, but let's look at the user ratings to see if people liked the movie. When we click on Ratings, our selected variable changes and some new plot types appear. Let's choose a pie chart to see the relative sizes of different groups. And our figure is updated to show the percentage of users for each rating. Why did the pie chart replace our previous graph? When creating a new plot, we have the choice of reusing an existing figure window or opening a new figure window. Reuse figure is selected by default. What if we want to compare this visualization with a graph that orders the ratings and shows the total numbers, like a bar plot? No problem. Let's select New Figure and choose Bar Plot. As before, the code is placed in the command window, and a new figure is created with our bar plot. Ooh! Now we easily see that 1 star was the most common rating. How can we customize the bar plot to provide more meaning? We do this by clicking the Show Plot Tools icon. An editor opens, and by clicking on different elements in the figure, we see options that we can change. For example, clicking inside the axes provides fields for adding axes labels and a title to our plot. When we're done, click Hide Plot Tools to close the editor. And that's it. We've used the visualization tools in the Plots tab to create 3 figures, customize a plot, and learned that people didn't like this movie very much. How did it win any awards?